In today's video, you will learn how to remove highlighting from text in a Microsoft Word. Removing highlights helps give your document a clean and professional appearance and ensures the focus stays on the content itself. To remove highlighting from specific text, start by selecting the highlighted words or sentences. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the highlighted area until it is fully selected. This method is ideal when you only want to clear highlights from certain parts of the document while leaving others unchanged. If your document contains highlighting throughout and you want to remove all of it at once, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and A to select all text. This quickly highlights everything in the document and saves time compared to selecting each section individually. Once the text is selected, go to the Home tab and locate the font group. Find the text highlight color icon, which looks like a marker. Click on it to open the color menu, then choose No Color. As soon as you apply this option, the highlight is removed from the selected text. This process removes only the highlight color and does not affect other formatting such as font style, size, or spacing. Your text remains exactly the same, just without the colored background. Using this simple method is helpful when finalizing documents, cleaning up reviewed files, or preparing content for printing or sharing. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Thanks for watching.